I am Pat Banker from Cornell Cooperative Extension, and I want to introduce you to my friend here, known as Allium trichocum, or ramps, also known as bear garlic, rampions, wild leeks. This is a patch that is planted at the Vic in Paul Smith, and I started it as a teaching program, and it started out as a set of bulbs that I dug up that were no bigger than that. After 5 years of taking care of this patch and protecting it from people picking it, it actually formed seeds last year. Ramps do not reproduce by splitting the bulbs. They reproduce by seed. They only seed every 5 to 7 years. So every time someone pulls up a patch like that and pulls it up completely by the bulbs, they're actually destroying that colony. The best way to, when you find a patch of ramps, and it might be a patch as big as the area out here at the Vic, every time you pull them up by the bulb, the best way to make sure that that patch is going to be there for your grandchildren and your grandchildren's grandchildren is to pull them up, if you must, and cut the rootlets off and put the rootlets and the base back in the ground and put leaves on top. Never take the whole bulb home. Never take more than 1/3 of anything from nature unless it's invasive. Eat all the dandelions you want. They're happily going to reproduce everywhere if you eat all that you want of dandelions. But as far as ramps or wild leeks go, please make sure that you harvest sustainably and enjoy. Thank you.